Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me.
What's popping, y'all? It's me, AHSEEAH, back here again with another video for you guys. Today's video is going to be a vlog. So right now it's currently 4:11. If y'all can't tell, we are in a new vibe. So just for some background, I had a 2012 Ford Fiesta. I had her for 3 years. That girl held me down, babe. I loved her down. I still love her. I still have her. But I bought a new car because her transmission is failing. So bye-bye, no payments. Now I have payments. And these is big girl bills, babe. These is big girl bills. So, yeah, I need to get in my YouTube bag for real. For lack of better terms. Also, wanted to come out here to stress the importance of good credit. I have great credit, and today I needed a car. I knew I needed a car. I knew I couldn't, like, my transmission is slipping. You cannot, it's really unsafe to drive. And I was still going to work because, babe, I gotta make the coins, or what the fuck is the point of me trying to look for a car? So, yeah, basically I was able to walk in here, not put nothing down, not trade in anything, and able to walk out with a car. And I have a low APR, and the car is not new, even though it's a 2024. It's not new. It's a certified pre-owned, in which it's great. I didn't want a new car. I actually was looking at a Jeep Wrangler that also was not new, but I realized very quickly that I don't think I'm ready for a Jeep in the size department, because they are huge, and I'm used to having a small car. I'm used to being in a small space. So yeah, that is what led for me to be here. And I like it, and it's black. Damn. We are chilling. Well, I'm not chilling. I just straightened up my house so that I can get in the shower. When I get back home, my house is not a pigsty. So I straightened up my house. I already know what I'm going to wear. So I'll come to y'all when I'm getting dressed and I am doing my hair. I'm about to get in the shower, and then I'm gonna put on my robe and we gonna do my hair. I wish I wore makeup, because then it would make it more interesting, but I don't wear makeup. So, and my lashes are already done because I did them the other day, so it's not really shit to show. But I'm gonna come back when I get out the shower, because obviously y'all can't see that. But I'm gonna get in the shower, and we gonna yeah, we gonna do that, and then I'll come back.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls that I grew beside.
Hello. So just got the shower. Basically what I'm gonna do is a swoop with the curls flipped under. So let's do that.
Girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, pride that they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a print shop. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tenser. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss ya. Right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah, who am I? All the niggas around me, ride or die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right.
The bottle of the night. Right now, we're getting in an Uber. It is 5 of us. How many shots we in? We just took 2, 3.
5?
Yeah, probably about 5 or 6.
Yeah.
5 or 6.
Yeah,
so we're about to get into the Uber.
Yeah, but Ashley's not here. I'm trying to,
Yeah. I don't know why. Over there. Fine.
Yeah.
Damn.
Are you having a good night?
No, too thick.
Has it been busy?
She need to come on. Don't shut the door. We gotta wait for Ashley.
She got in the front. Ain't she? Get in the back. Oh, damn. She locking the door.
Me, I'm Monet.
Yes. You coming outside?
You gotta be turned. Like
You gonna be outside this weekend or not this weekend?
I feel like liquor just sitting on my stomach.
I heard Michael Jordan's coming.
No, why is she talking to this?
Yeah, he's gonna be at Burn.
Burn?
The cigar lounge.
I know. I done been there.
You like it?
It's alright. I don't smoke cigars.
Tell her she can get in the front.
So she can get in the front or she can get in the middle.
Just come on. She gonna get it. Is her ass like go fat?
Shit, you don't know.
Y'all kinda
I'm kind of thick. I don't know about this nigga, but I'm kind of thick. We should update y'all because so much happened after that Uber ride. Okay, so we go into the club. The dude that I'm doing with, he's in charge of this event. So, bada boom, bada bam. Nothing crazy. So, I come in, I didn't even see him because I just kept walking because I had to pee. So, my friend's like, you're just not gonna speak to so-and-so? I'm like, no, where's he at? They like, he was at the door. I'm like, no, I didn't see him. It is what it is. Like, yeah, man, on the best terms, so yeah. So that was cool. We're sitting at the freaking table, and they're just like, somebody bought us drinks. I went in the bathroom. I came back and it was like, my friend came in and looked at me. She's like, I think so-and-so just sent drinks to our table. So I'm like, oh, that's cute. Keep in mind, this is a club. There's like, the tables we were sitting at, like, they were just some random ass tables. Like, it wasn't like a section. So, we drinking our drinks and like, yeah, somebody bought them for us. We don't really know. So I'm like, okay, cool. Why we drunk them, I don't know, but we did. That's not the end of our demise. Our demise came because after that had been our second drink there. We had took 5 shots before we left the house. That was our second drink being there. We had only been there for like an hour. So yeah, we drink these drinks, we chilling, and then we are offered more shots. Okay, come on, y'all. Like, the fuck? So then we're offered more shots. I live in Indiana. It's also a weekend and it's snowy. That was another thing. Okay, maybe I should slow down. So, we're drinking these drinks. Oh, no. Why do I keep talking about these drinks? We drank the drinks. That was the end of the drinks. Nothing else came about from the fucking drinks. So, I go upstairs and my friend's like, y'all wanna go upstairs? I'm like, sure. So we go upstairs and he's sitting on the stairs. So I stop and I spoke. And he's holding me or whatever. Nothing crazy. Nothing out of the word. And I'm like, I say something, he's here. He's like, yeah, I'm gonna come over tonight. So I'm like, cool. Back to me and my friends. We are drinking. Now we are sitting at a different table, and this group of men are like, y'all want shots? So you're like, yeah. So me and Dejani took a shot with them by ourselves, and then we're chilling, and then my other friends come back downstairs from upstairs, and he's like, y'all want to take another shot with me and my people? So we like, yeah. So we take another shot, and then we're like, mind our business, come back over. We're like, y'all want to take another shot? They're like, yeah. I'm like, no, I'm done. I'm cool. I don't want nothing else. So yeah, that was that. We go upstairs, back upstairs. This man is like, you want to take a shot with me? I'm like, no, I don't need nothing else to drink. Like, I be knowing my body, babe, and my body was saying, bitch, cool it. Now, so much traffic, like, y'all, like, so yeah, I go. Okay, so then I'm sitting there at this table, and this man locks eyes with me. So I look at him, and he comes up to me. He has a full bottle of Douce in one hand, and a damn near full bottle of Don Julio in his other hand. So he walks up to me. He said, "You want this bottle?" I said, "Sure." He like, huh? I'm like, "What's this about?" He was like, "Just do you, babe. Just do you." Hands me the bottles and walks away. So, as I mentioned, I was done drinking. So, you know what I did? Walked around giving people shots. You want a shot? Do you want a shot? So, I didn't end up giving y'all the entire recap. I didn't realize I didn't finish that. So, I'm just going to finish that night. So, and then we're going to get into part 2. Anyways, so after I left off with the bottle situation, so I get the bottles, I'm walking around giving people free shots, girls drinking liquor out the motherfucking bottle, no Meg the Stallion. I get a dude that I deal with, I give him some shots, cause babe, you need to be looser than the goose, okay? So I then after that, I go back to the table. The man who was in that section next to us, he walks up to me and Key, because it was me and Key walking around. He walks up to me and Key's like, y'all need to get them. Y'all need to get them. He doing too much. Like, get the fuck out my face. What the fuck are you talking about? Come back. Two of the girls, 2 out of 5 are fucking sick. One of them, physically. The other one, she's down fucking bad. I knew she was gonna get physically sick at some point. So we walk out the club because I'm like, it's time to go. I see the dude I deal with. He like, are you good? Like, you know, do you still want me? And I'm like, this ain't got nothing to do with me, babe. I be at the crib. You know where to find me. So we go outside, and the girl who had been physically sick, I try to help them with her. So it's me and Ashley trying to help with her, and she cannot even physically stand up by herself. So we're trying to duck her off because that girl got a career, and I didn't want the police to see her like that, and then they try to hit her with some publicly indecent shit. So I try to duck her off. So in the midst of that, me and the girl fall like 3 times. She's heavy as fuck, and she's way taller than me. I'm only 5'5". The girl's like 5'10" in heels. Dead weight. So in the midst of all that, Key and Ashley get into it, and I'm just like, you know what, I just want to go home. I just want to vibe, twin. Please stop talking to me. So we get in the Uber. The Uber ride is very heated. It's just mainly them going back and forth. I keep getting dragged into it, but I really don't care, babe. I'm here for the vibes. I'm just ready to get home. So we get to Ashley's house, which is where everybody's car is at. And that heated argument gets a little bit more heated, if I do say so in the least. And so I didn't get involved. Nope, and didn't. Y'all figure that shit out. I really don't care. I was really concerned about this girl's well-being at this point because she was dead weight. This girl was so motherfucking heavy. Like, I'm just like, girl, can you please keep your head up? Like, I don't know. Like, I don't know. The girl was scaring me. It wasn't nothing to worry about, thank God. But like, yeah, I was like, girl, I don't care about these people. I don't care about them arguing. They argue all the fucking time. I really don't care. I care about you. The other girl, she goes to get in the car. If y'all can't tell, it's Dejanique. Anyways, we get her in the car. They were still arguing, and we all go home. I get home. It's probably about 3 something. It's 3 o'clock though, and I'm on the phone with Key. Me and her are talking about the night, and yeah, homegirl was upset. I ended the call because I was just like, girl, I don't want to talk about this no more. Like, I don't. So we get off the phone, and I'm like, I need to stay up because he's gonna come, because he's a night owl. I knew he was about to go and crash out nowhere. So I'm like, man, I need to stay up. I need to stay up. I dozed off, and I missed the I'm outside text, and I was so mad because at one point he had a key. not that he had a key just permanently, like at one point he had a key for a different fucking reason, but I had got it back obviously, and I was just like, damn, if he had his key, just could have came in, like what the fuck. So yeah, that is how part one of the night ended. The rest of the weekend was weird as fuck. It was fun nonetheless, but it was just weird vibes because that first night was so fucking crazy. It ended so fucking bad because at some point everybody needed to stop drinking. I'm just the one who was just a little bit, you know, in it to stop. But I don't know. I don't understand. I don't know what the fuck happened or why it really, like, I know what happened, but like I just don't get it. Why it, whatever. Anyways, yeah, that's the end. That's gonna conclude the end of part one. I'm gonna post part two coming soon, so y'all see the rest of the weekend, and nothing else crazy happened. Just, you know, just for what's called reference. But yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.